Welcome to all of my trying to more fun in the backyard. Today, on Saturday or Sunday, last weekend, we got this. A new bird feeder. You can see the brand. There you go. And our bird feed. And make sure to like and subscribe this video. Now, ladies and gents, let's all put up the bird feeder.
Oh, do you want to take it out of the box up here on the porch?
Yeah, let's just do that. Okay. Just gonna unbox it.
That's the little ledge for the birds, so it doesn't hurt their feet. Sit on the edge.
This is definitely gonna be. Get out! Get out!
Tight fit. I need some assistance. There you go. Maybe. Wow. Tight fit. You need me to help?
I think I've got it.
Yeah. We don't need the box if you want to tear the box a little bit.
Yeah, this is gonna definitely help.
We had one of these similar, and our cats loved it, but then it just finally wore out.
And it broke.
Yeah, squirrels would get in it, and they were too heavy, and it broke.
And one time,
But our cats love to sit out on the windowsill and watch it.
I think I can get it.
And we enjoyed it too. There you go. Okay, there it is.
Now let's just get this stuff off. Okay.
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 Looks good.
We can open that.
Oh. So it's got suction cups, and it came with extra suction cups that we already took out.
It just. Oh, these are coming off.
Can you get them back in? There you go. And then I think you slide them up to hook them in place.
Just like that.
I think you kind of, yeah.
Just like this one.
Yeah, I think you slide them.
Yeah.
Came with these suction cups, and then you can slide them up to lock them in place. I'll show it from this side. So
Okay,
you can
there.
see that it's,
and this is gonna
Just
go
kinda
like, and this is gonna go like.
that comes out. That's the part for the bird seed, so you can just take that out when you need to clean it.
And
Instead of having to take the whole, show them again what that little tray does. So instead of having to like take down the whole bird feeder to clean it, you can just take out the tray. And then that way you can refill it or clean it if you need to.
Yep. Okay, and you see this thing? This is what they're gonna stand. The birds are gonna stand on. Okay. Dun. Dun, 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 dun. Ladies and gents, this is what you've all been waiting for. Next year.
Does it go on both or just the?
Next year, we are going on a Disney cruise.
Can you get it on there?
Why won't you stay?
No, you want to film it while I see if I can get it on there?
Yeah.
Don't touch that. think once you get it started, there we go. Just kind of getting it started. Almost got it. Oh. Tricky. Maybe we have to take this part off and then put this on. There. Okay, that was it. Okay, so you put the ledge on first, the feet protector first.
Be careful.
There we go.
Good job. Okay.
So you actually put the little foot protector on first and then put the food tray in. So
Okay.
Didn't come with any directions, but it's pretty easy to figure out.
Now let's go install it. Come on, follow me.
Put it up on our window. Oh, that's our, I'm going to show the kind of bird feed. We got just a mixture of sunflower seeds and some peanuts and some other kind of little bird seed, little seeds.
Okay, this is our bird feeder, and you're just gonna like do this. Oh. And then
There it is.
bird seed. There.
Well, that's on pretty tight. Don't pull it. No, don't pull it. There we go. That ought to do it. That's alright. The squirrels will eat that falls. Maybe that'll keep them from getting up there.
I can get it.
That's okay.
I want to get some.
That's plenty for now.
No, I got some from the other one. So.
Yeah, it'll take a little time for the birds to get used to it and come eat.
I'm gonna get some more.
But last year when we had this, we got a lot of cardinals, some little finches, some really beautiful bluebirds, and then we got a few squirrels.
By the way, it's a beautiful day out.
It is a beautiful day. Not a cloud in the sky.
Not
And it's warm. It's about 70 degrees. But this weekend it's going to get into the 30s for the high.
Chance of snow.
I know. Crazy. Alrighty.
What?
Looking good. We can show what it looks like from the inside of the house.
Dun, 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 dun.
Alrighty. I got it.
was slanted.
It's okay. Birds won't care. Oh, is that how you're getting over? Can you? Whoa. You took the shortcut. Okay, grab the trash. And we'll show what it looks like from the inside of the house. Don't eat it. Hey, grab the trash. Get this. Alrighty. We got a little St. Patrick's Day decoration. There's Winston, our blind cat. So you can see it. You can see it from the inside, and the cats like to sit up here on the top of the shutters and watch the birds and try to catch them. And the birds get used to it, and they realize at first it scared the birds away, and then they realized the cats couldn't get to them and didn't bother them anymore.
Nope.
Do you want to end with your form?
Has it been 10 minutes?
It's been 13 minutes.
You know what? By the way, I'm gonna say, do you want to see my powerful display?
Okay.
I was just taking these 6 bays out of my backpack.
Oh, I'm sorry, Winston.
This Beyblade. Good top, good middle, and metal bottom. Okay, so this Bey's my powerfulest. This big Bey called, and his name is Colossus. He is probably my second powerfulest. And then my third powerfulest would probably be this guy.
Yeah. This one's good too. He wins a lot of battles. It kind of depends on who they're fighting.
I would say,
Think that one? Uh-oh.
probably Voltriac.
Yeah, he wins a lot.
Then Voltriac's probably my third powerfulest.
Yeah, he does win a lot.
Plastic. If you look really closely, these come out.
I forgot about that.
Okay. So that would be my third powerfulest. And by the way, this way would be my weakest. And it is terrible at stamina. This is my weakest. And this will probably be my fourth powerfulest.
Some of your lefties, the left ones are good. This purple one's really good.
Yeah, this is really good. And then I would say that this was my fifth.
Mm-hmm.
And then would would you say that? Which one would you say would be my 6th?
After that, it's kind of a toss-up.
Probably.
They all kind of win some and lose
probably
some.
This would be my after this guy.
This one didn't do so good.
This would be my 2nd weakest.
And this one's good, but it has to fight another small one because it's small in size. So it's good if it's fighting another one its size.
Yes.
But if it's trying to fight Colossus, see the difference in the size. It never can beat that guy.
And then that would probably be my 7th powerfulest. And then this bay would probably be my 8th powerfulest.
That's good, huh?
And then I would probably say that
we should battle your 2 small ones together sometime to see who wins. Like these 2 are the same size. See who wins.
I would probably say that this would be my 9th.
Some people might like just the small ones and have like small baby paddles.
I mean, this would be my 8th.
Yeah.
And then I would say that my 9th powerfulest.
Most powerful is actually what you say.
My 9th most powerfulest would probably I would probably have to say this bay.
Yeah, that's a goodie.
Good top.
Yeah.
Good middle.
Yeah.
And my friend told me that there was a bad bottom, but Caden told me, Caden's my schoolmate, my friend, he goes to my school with me, and he said that this is a good bottom. So
yeah, I think sometimes it depends
I
on
agree with Caden.
who you're battling. It looks good. It's different. It's like a spaceship.
Yeah. And then I would say 9th. And then I would probably say that this would be my 10th.
Yeah, your small ones.
Then I would probably...
They're good against each other.
Then I would probably say that Achilles X would be my 10th.
Yeah.
And then this guy would probably
Yeah,
be
he's
my
a good
11th.
one. No, I think he would be, yeah, maybe.
This guy would probably be my 11th.
Then these small ones, they're good against each other. You know, you wouldn't ever fight a small one against a big one. But you could do a small Beyblade battle.
Be the This probably would be my 12th powerfulest. And then this would be my 13th powerfulest. Then 14th powerfulest.
You'll have to just test it out sometime.
I mean, take that back. This would be my 14th powerfulest. 15th powerfulest. And last but not least, 16th powerfulest.
All right. Well, that's almost
Look at
20
her.
minutes. Yeah, you got 16 Beyblades. That's a pretty good number. Maybe we'll get some more for Easter.
Okay.
The kids love to trade them at school.
Yes, ma'am.
You gonna end with your form? It's almost 20 minutes.
I'm going to end it with my form.
I hope we get some birds soon on our feeder.
Now let's do our form. Oh,
Yeah, where you gonna go?
by the way, Lexi in my class, he says that he has this blood in his
Oh.
house.
How did she see our rug?
In one of my pictures from my autobiography.
Oh, I believe she has the same rug as us. Wow, that's a coincidence. Okay, you want to do it this way and come towards me here? Your form on your count, begin. Back to Chumby.
That was it for y'all. We'll watch Transform. I'll see you